Kikeriki. This is Takanashi Kiara. I just had a phone call with Kanata senpai checking if she's okay with it too, but I'm very disappointed to announce that it might be the first time in history that I have to move Holotalk. And I'm so disappointed because I got a cold on Monday to Tuesday, and then I thought it was getting better each day, but I feel like today it got worse. And it might be bronchitis now, so I'm fucked. Sorry, phlegm. Anyway, new date, 23rd of December, because I have to do it before Christmas. Like, I'm not gonna do whole talk for a while after that because I'll be in Japan. I'm very sorry. I'm so mad at myself. I'm so mad. But yeah, funny voice, Chihuahua out, and I'll see you soon. But for now, I will focus on recovering and baton touch to Amelia Watson, who's back starting from today or tomorrow. You know, I'm addicted to Twitter, so I'll be around. Oh my fucking god. I'm so sorry!